When sewing an invisible zipper, before you even start, unzip the zipper, iron. I use a fairly heavy setting. You're going to iron the coils away from the zipper tape. Do it fast so you don't melt anything. But you want the back side of the zipper as flat as you can get it. This will help make attaching it a lot easier. Now that the zipper has been pressed, place the zipper right side up and then fold it over so that it's upside down onto looking at the left side, and line that up however you need to, depending on what your seam allowance is. And pin that in place. With my zipper foot on, I'm setting my stitch length to a basting length, and now I'm just going to baste this zipper on. Now this side is basted on. To sew your invisible zipper on after you've basted it, they have little plastic invisible zipper feet. I can't remember how much they are. I recently got this one for my machine and I love it because the plastic one won't work for my new machine. But it has these little grooves in it. So here's the plastic one. It has these little grooves in it. So your zipper, just this, the teeth just go right into those little grooves depending on what way you are sewing it. And then this moves so your needle can be exactly where it needs to be. So I have my invisible zipper foot on here. It's in the correct groove so that I'm going to be stitching right along those teeth. That's as far as I can go, and that's completely fine. Pinning the other side, you can often get your piece kind of all twisted. So once you have this completely attached on one side, then I find it easiest to just zip this up, then open it up kind of, so then I know, okay, this is my right side. These are going together and like this. So the right sides are together, it's closed, so it's all going the right way. And just placing a pin here, then opening it back up. And then making sure that the tops match, because now you know, okay, this is the right way. So match up any seams. Make sure that the top of the zippers match when you match your seams. And make sure it's the correct distance out from the edge. And then pin that all in place. So then you can go and baste it like you did on the other side. I've put the regular zipper foot back on, have a basting stitch length. Now I'm just going to baste this side on. And now that it's been basted on, I'm ready to sew it on with my invisible zipper foot. Okay, I went and I zipped up my zipper. My tops match amazing. So now I just need to stitch right here. So I've put my invisible, or my regular zipper foot back on. I've placed a pin right here to match these up. And you basically want to start at the bottom of your hem and stitch all the way up. And you're going to go right to, you're going to veer off to the left of your zipper seam and sew a little past where it ends. So the bottom of my zipper, where it opens at, just camouflages into the seam. You'll want to press this open, but other than that, this is done.